With real estate bookkeeping, two of the main nuances is first, how investors structure their business. Real estate investors often have many entities or LLCs, and this is usually to mitigate risk. So they don't want too many properties in one entity, or sometimes they'll structure their business so that each entity will reflect the different investing style that they use. So they might have one entity for flips, one for long-term rentals. And, this isn't very similar to other industries. And it's kind of step one of your bookkeeping is you want to make sure you have your business structure correct in your bookkeeping software so that you're able to run reports for each entity and each property. The other kind of nuance of real estate bookkeeping is how many loans real estate investors are taking on. And often these different loan types are creative. So there's often rehab hard money loans where you need to understand that there's going to be construction draws, and you really want your bookkeeper to be familiar with these type of scenarios so that they're, booking these things correctly.